Hello everyone, welcome to SGS Japan channel. Today I'm going to introduce Automotive Cybersecurity, focuses on ISO 26262. This mini course consists of 3 videos. Please check out the other contents as well if you are interested in WP29 and ISO 21434. So this video focuses on ISO 26262. I'm going to introduce the overview of this standard. While connected cars, autonomous cars, and other vehicles that are connected to the network have increased, and it makes transportation more convenient. But cars are now also exposed to the threat of cyber attacks. There have been cases of safety being compromised by cyber attacks. In Jeep Cherokee, a vulnerability in the Connect system was reported. It allows attackers to remotely access critical vehicle functions, and attackers can operate the vehicle remotely. In Tesla models, a vulnerability in the wireless LAN was reported. Attackers directed drivers to a malicious attack site and successfully installed malicious software. Nissan Leaf was reported to have a vulnerability in its authentication scheme that could allow remote control of other vehicles if the last 5 digits of the vehicle identification number were identified. So now a lot of organizations have been developing rules for cybersecurity to prevent cyber attacks. In here, I'll explain the relationship between security and functional safety, which was added in the second edition of ISO 26262. The second edition of ISO 26262 added requirements related to communication channels and appropriate information exchange between safety and security in order to address problems. There are 2 possible issues related to safety and security. The first one is that cybersecurity problems may violate safety goals or safety requirements, and it could lead to accidents if safety mechanisms are attacked. The second is that cybersecurity requirements may conflict with safety requirements, and the implementation of security functions may affect the performance of essential functions, including safety-related functions. Detailed guidances on the communication channel between safety and security are defined in Annex E of Part 2. But it does not provide any guidance or procedures on achieving cybersecurity. It only introduces other standards as references for cybersecurity activities. It's useful to obtain information from cybersecurity to achieve functional safety. This page describes key items in each phase of functional safety activities regarding cybersecurity. In planning phase, information on the selection of tools and coding guidelines considered in cybersecurity is beneficial in terms of dependency. In field monitoring phase, it's required to communicate cybersecurity incidents related to safety to the functional safety side. Cybersecurity threats identified as hazard from a functional safety perspective are beneficial in supporting the completeness of the hazard analysis and risk assessment. Information on cybersecurity strategies and measures is useful to define safety goals and functional safety requirements, technical safety requirements, and their potential impact on system design. Cybersecurity software and hardware design shall be considered to define the potential impact on achieving safety requirements and design constraints. Cybersecurity measures to address systematic failures are also beneficial to define the potential impact on functional safety. Establishing ISO 21434 process based on ISO 26262 process is beneficial. It clarifies the relationship between safety and security and provides a logical explanation for secure manufacturing. The other videos related to ISO 26262 are uploaded, so please check out if you are interested in functional safety. Thank you for watching this video. We are offering training consulting services for ISO 21434 and 26262. So please check out the descriptions below for more details. Thanks again. Bye.